Your home looks great, but something missing? I think one luxury wall plug can completely change the vibe. But here's the problem. Are you also thinking that luxury decor is expensive? Wait till you see the wall plug's elegance on a budget. For my viewers, in this video, we are exploring some of the most elegant and luxury wall plugs that can instantly elevate your space. So are you looking for under-budget luxury walls? So here's the right place. Hi homies, I am back to the Janan Wall Aura where you find aesthetic, luxury and modesty interior designs. So now take a cup of coffee and enjoy the video. Okay, so I hope you liked the video and found it informative, and thus I have covered all the designs that give a unique and adorable look to your house. In a nutshell, all the product that I have mentioned in video is available under Blizzard, so check it now in the description box. See you later, alligator.